Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to factory reset Vortex phone. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering, how do you reset your Vortex phone here? Well, the thing here, resetting your Vortex phone is actually fairly easy. So since the Vortex phone actually runs on an Android, in this case OS, you can actually do this via the phone itself. So all Android phones actually has a built-in way for you to factory reset it. So in this case, what you need to do is you need first access your settings. So let's go and open up our settings here. And for us, or to make this a lot easier for us, what we need to do is we need to go to the search settings at the very top here. And you want to search for the following, which is going to be reset. Now you should be able to see a bunch of things here, but what you need to look for is the factory reset option, which is usually at the very bottom here. So once you click on it, it should redirect you to this section here, which in this case, you just need to click on the erase all option to basically factory reset your phone. Now, factory resetting your phone here might take a while, so you need to wait for a few minutes or even an hour. So depending on how much data you have on your phone. But yeah, so you just need to approve the erase all option that you see here. And from that on, you should be able to reset your Vortex phone. But yeah, in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.